Japan's bullet trains redefined travel. Starting a race against time, each model pushed the limits, refining speed and efficiency.
Digital design lets us test aerodynamics.
I'm adjusting the nose contours now.
Drag is reduced by another 5%.
Aluminum and composites define modern construction. They offer unmatched strength and precision for aerospace and advanced manufacturing. Precise robotic systems assemble power inverters. Camera glides over circuit boards. Insulated high-voltage components.
Align this controller here.
Initiating full systems verification, checking electrical bus and traction links, testing emergency braking pressure, commencing door cycle test, HVAC and interior lighting, check. Objective: validate real-world performance. The bullet train accelerates along a dedicated test track. Motion blur emphasizes. Telemetry confirms data transmission.